Leos, how you guys doing? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Why I am uploading the reading? Since I am going on a vacation, I am uploading an early video, okay, for January for Leos. Okay, let's check it out. So what are the messages for Leos in the month of, okay, so you will be going through some major breakthrough. You are waiting for some sort of a breakthrough, Leos, in the month of January. That will not happen in January, but in the upcoming weeks that might happen, okay. So yeah, messages for Leos for the month of January 2020. You are just blooming every single day. You are just blooming yourself. You are just growing from within internally. You are just every single day you are just growing independently, internally, divinely, spiritually, which is very good. Okay, the third eye chakra is opening for you. The third eye chakra is opening for you. You are going through some major spiritual awakening, and the third eye chakra is opening for you, which is very good, Leos. You have certain sort of guilt, some sort of guilt you have, which you want to release, but you cannot. So a sort of guilt, a major guilt is there, okay, and that really frustrates you sometimes, that really irritates you a lot, and sometimes you just feel that you want to remove that guilt and you want to move away, you want to explore, you want to travel, you just want to get away from that guilt. Messages for the month of January. You are just going with the flow, enjoying, going with the flow. Amazing. So yeah, that's a very beautiful thing. So this time we are doing a different sort of a reading, okay, for the month of January 2020. Okay, yeah. What will be the theme for the month of 2021? Sorry guys. Okay, you know how it flips, right? Because this is the new year, so we take at least 2 months to realize that it's 2021 every time when we write. Okay, so let's check it out, the theme for the month of January. Okay, the theme for the month of January is there's a stagnancy in taking action. You want to take action towards someone or something, or you want to start a new business, you want to have a new victorious life, okay. When it comes a successful life, whether it's career, whether it's relationship, whether it's financial life, but there's a stagnancy, there's a stuck energy. You want to take action, but you have a stuck energy. That stagnancy is not from your side, that stagnancy is from the universe side, okay. So don't feel bad, because if this happens, then opportunity will be coming towards you after this stagnancy is being removed from this situation, okay. So don't worry, only this have a stuck energy only for January, not for all the months, okay. So just be relaxed. The next is action and opinions. Cards for actions and opinions. You think that, Leos, whatever hard work you do, the amount of whatever input you given, okay, into a work, relationship, anything, the amount of output you should get, you don't get it, okay. And you just feel that sometimes you have to leave the things behind and you need to move forward, you need to explore, you need to travel, you need to relocate, you need to reshift, okay. So yes, whatever hard work you do, sometimes you need to focus on a smart work, not hard work, to be honest, okay, because Leos are generally smart workers, not hard workers. So you need to go smartly with your actions and with your opinions, okay. Whatever work you are doing, just be smart. Don't be a hard worker, be a smart worker in the month of January, okay. The second is conversation and communication. There is a conflict going on between head and heart, okay. It might be that you want to talk to someone and I think there's a blockage. You feel that you should talk or not, okay. So that's a blockage going on. Sometimes there's a conflict going on. Why? Because you want to communicate with someone, but there's a clashes going on between head and heart. Head is telling you something, heart is telling you something. Sometimes you feel that you are stuck into a situation. You want to leave the past behind, you want to have a heart to heart communication or conversation with someone, and you want to leave the past behind and you want to move forward. But when that's not happening right now, you have a stuck energy when it comes to your communication. So communication has been blocked, or less or no communication is there right now, okay, with certain person, certain people, okay. So the third is romance and relationship. Romance and relationship. Wow. Okay, so when it comes to a romance and relationship, I think you are moving on from your life. Like, you are just moving on from a relationship. You have started moving on, you have started releasing your past behind, okay, and you are ready to move forward. You are ready to take an action towards your own life, okay. And that's a beautiful energy, beautiful energy. You are releasing and you are moving on from past. And I think there is certain person, a new opportunity or a new person might be coming or entering into your life, who will be having good financial income, or who will be very much good settled financially, or who will be having a good position into some company, some big four company or something like that. So yeah, you are leaving the past behind and moving on to a new opportunity, new life, new beginning. For singles, those of you are single, definitely a love is entering into your life, a romantic partner is entering into your life, okay. So yeah, and the next is and that romantic partner will be of a higher position. To be honest, they might he or she might work in a good four company, big four company, or having good, having good position, okay, somewhere. Okay, so the next card is all about money and finance. Money and finance. Okay, so you want an independent financial life, Leos. You want a good financial independence where you don't have to ask for money from anyone. You can have your own money and own your life in your own terms and conditions. You can live the life the way you want to, okay. But that energy has been blocked right now, okay. And I think why this is happening, because the theme of the month is stagnancy in taking action or having a victorious life or having a victory towards success is blocked in the month of January. But you are daydreaming, and definitely this will come true. It might not be quick, but it will definitely come. That opportunity is blocked for having a new financial independent life, okay, new beginning in financially. But it will be coming in the few months. In the next few months you will be growing financially for sure. Not January, but definitely in the upcoming months for yourself. And that's a beautiful energy, because I can just feel that this will help you out for a to have a proper and a broader perspective about your life, how financially one should grow your life, and one should be how one should be independent enough into your life, okay. So I really feel that that wish fulfillment will come true. It might not be soon, but it will definitely come for you, okay, and I'm very sure about it. So I hope you like this reading, Leos. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly comment down below how was it, guys. Okay, bye bye, take care, bye.